So I've put the camera on navigation, and this place where we are looks so freaking cool. Like, oh my god, it looks just so freaking cool, man. Cuckoo!
We ain't having nothing at the cafe.
Why?
5 PM.
It's 7 minutes, it's shut. Oh, it's 7 minutes, it's shut.
That's annoying.
Where's that house? Right, take it down.
Josh is running. He was running. Look at my fit. That's awesome. I think we should probably put this back. Okay, I'm going to pause it now. Put everything back. We've got enough. Oh. So yeah guys, as I said, I was going to do some vlogs. And well, here's a vlog. That first bit was a bit annoying. But yeah guys, he's YouTubers, it's going to be studios here. And we're going to this waterfall. And right now we're walking to this waterfall. So yeah. That is a nice river. That river.
Come on then.
That waterfall. It's awesome. Awesome waterfall. I'm going to stop that there. Let's see what goes here. Look at that. That is a nice waterfall right there. Oh, that's lovely. Lovely waterfall. But we will get to some big waterfalls in a minute. So that's going to be cool. Just gotta keep walking, I guess. Wow. Look at that. That's awesome. That is awesome. Anyway, I don't really want to do this vlog for too long because I only have like 20 minutes on this. So we won't do this vlog for too long. I've got to catch up with Dad, Josh and Kendra. But yeah guys, once I meet up with them, I'll get back to you. We weren't allowed to go to it because it would have cost all of us about £30 to go into the waterfall. So that's what it is. You take her off.
Just around that corner, remember? And to see, you had to get across the stepping stones, you went up our corner and look back. You had to get your feet back.
So we couldn't go to the actual waterfall because we had to pay for it, because last time we didn't have to pay, but we did, so oh well. So yeah, you can see sort of the waterfall. But yeah, let's go. Pointless skate.
You do a vlog?
Yes.
How long have you been doing?
Not that long, about a minute.
Oh yeah, like 2 minutes
Or two.
They
see this? Kendra with a massive rock.
I don't know, that's a laurel or a rhododendron. They don't have
No one cares about your rock.
Chuck it at Josh. That's
The bloke showed me a picture.
I might not do the whole vlog all the way back. I might just end it once we get down this bit, because I don't want to be using all of it.
my daughter. I got all this daughter.
No, it's not my data.
Your
It's not.
daughter, mine.
No, it's not all that. It's mainly just my time that I have on it, because my phone's iffy with time, annoyingly. Coco's trying to do a U. Where's Ninja Coco? Ninja Coco! There she is. There's Ninja Coco. She thinks she's all cool. She's 6 years old. She still thinks that she's a ninja. Let's get down there, shall we? Oh. No, Josh, there's like people from other countries, because they had a accent. I think they were American. I don't know, but yeah, it shows that loads of people around around the whole world want to come and see this waterfall. And if I just be quiet, you can sort of hear the waterfall. You can hear the waterfalls.
I might just be the river.
Yeah, that might just be the river, but you can still hear waterfall. And this is very slippery. So, yeah. I think I might end it now. Yeah, I think I might end it. I might just show you that part. No.
Oh, dear.
You can't really see it. But if I just pause it and then see some more mini waterfalls. Oh, well done. Oh, you can't really see. It's annoying. You can't see the freaking waterfalls. Can't see the freaking waterfalls. Maybe if I go where Josh is, you might be able to see the small waterfalls. Josh, I'm going where you are. There, you can sort of see. Oh no, you still can't see the waterfalls because my phone just doesn't like lightness, so it always goes dark when I'm recording on this phone. There's waterfalls going. So yeah, I think I might end it there, guys. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog, and I will see you in the next video. May the force be with you always. Those are all coins, by the way, if you were wondering. Those are all coins. Wow, that's amazing. Cool. Right, let's go.